Hey guys, so we're on Mineplex. What to play? Should have thought this through. Let's play some Death Tag. That'll be fun. But I do not want to do it first. If I aim it first, I'll be so mad. I'll play 2 rounds of Death Tag. Trader. Oh, I hate voting. It takes too long. Takes way too long. Trader is so fun. Your team can knock your own teammates off. It's a good style of laptop. Oh no, that person's gonna knock me off because I knocked her off. It's just gonna be, why did I go over here? Hey! I thought there was no water. No, they're coming. They're coming. Oh no, they're gonna get me. Hopefully they won't. Kill her! Kill this dude! Okay, never mind. It's not gonna work. Well, they can give her to die. Jeez. No! Well, I'm a chaser now. Pretty quick. Yes, got a kill. Who did I? Oh, rage quit. Wow. Hello, Jake. Drake. Jake, mate. Well, so, of course, that's first round. Of course, you gotta get the trader. I don't like the water. Let's take the water. Goodbye, water. You're fun. And make sure there's no water left. Make sure here. Here. No, don't you push the water. Bad. The last one. Okay, water will be gone. Yes, water's gone. Oh wait, we gotta do this one. Oh, this one's already gone. Now we gotta do the waterfall. Yay! This is probably gonna be a short video. Because death tag doesn't only take... I'm only going to do 2 because I don't feel like a third. I have another game to do. Okay, good, I'm not it. 3 people are already it. They're all right there. Okay, I gotta get this dude in the water. What the heck? Oh my gosh, why is my mouse so bad? Look at this. Look at this mouse, it's so bad. I have no idea why. It does that sometimes, it used to not. Come here, mate. What? Oh, he yelled it! Yeah, he yelled it! This is the dude that killed me. Mate. Come here, mate. 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 Oh, I thought it was... This is a good hiding spot. Oh. Oh, wow. So hacked. How did he get up there? That's not possible. Mate. Mate, that's not possible. That's not possible. How did he get up there? That's not possible. That is not possible. Look, guys, we found ourselves. And what is it? Oh, so that guy. Oh my gosh. I'm about to just end it. I'm about to rage quit. Oh my gosh. This is what I hate about Death Tag. And this, mainly this map. And that, I hate the Trader Kit. Because people just knock you off the edge when you're not even hitting them. Look at these boats. They're so weird. What is this? Oh my gosh. I'm about to just call it. Oh, I know how to get up there. I'll get this wreckage. I'll wreck his face. No, strip it. Strip it. Yes. 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 Oh! The root! I stole that guy's kill, but I don't really care. Regeneration infinitely? That's just amazing. I wish that was one of my survival worlds. I should do a let's play on one. But I might start over because that first video the first let's play was really stupid. I was using the worst screen recorder in the world, and now I have a lot better one. Did you see that? I was turning my mouse, but it's not. It's like that was again. I was trying to turn it. What is it? A mouse pad or a mouse? Okay, it's gotta clean off my mouse. Okay, that probably was the case. I know it might have just been about Minecraft. Oh my gosh! I was trying to look down. What the heck? I was trying to look to the side. Well, good job, Narwhal. Whoever you are. Friend him. Shout out to Narwhal25. Well guys, that was Death Tag. Like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to go check out Jackson Gray's channel at DuckHunter22 Space Gray. Before I leave ya, blow this stuff up. No more waterfall. Haha, no more waterfall. 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 But I just gotta clear out the waterfall. 'Cause who likes waterfalls? They're so annoying. Like, where's the source block? Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, like, comment, subscribe, and go check out Jackson Gray's channel at DuckHunter22. I'll put it in the description. DuckHunter22 Space Gray. Bye, guys.